It's my pleasure to welcome you to Changing Tides, Emerging Directions for Newfoundland's Future. Dialogue and discussion about a topic, the shape of cultural, social, and economic life in this province. Our decision to sponsor the conference in this, the 25th year of the Extension Service's existence, is in keeping with the beliefs of this department, of the entire university. These beliefs are first that the university, through the Extension Service, has a mandate to provide educational services to all adult Newfoundlanders, and that learning comes in very many different guises, from the informal methodologies of community development to certificate programs which follow fairly traditional course methods. Central to this belief is that practical problem solving by citizens, which involves reflection, thought, discussion, and information, is learning. Learning that is as legitimate and as valid as that which happens inside university, on-campus classrooms. Our mandate, then, is to facilitate learning anywhere that people gather, whether that be tonight in town halls, in community settings, in fish plants, on wharves or stage heads, and sometimes, in fact, in meetings called which do not appear on the surface to have much to do with an educational agenda. Extension Service seeks to provide a knowledge base and a process of inquiry, which, when wedded to the initiative of concerned citizens, can produce options, ideas, alternatives, and yes, even outcomes and action. Extension Service is charged by the university with staying in touch with specific local, regional, and provincial problems, and does so with the invaluable assistance of a field network consisting of 9 offices across the province. We use the issues which are surfaced through this mechanism as the curricula for our educational undertakings. Relevance is the chief characteristic of this particular approach. This conference is an example of that characteristic. It grew from a sense that many Newfoundlanders were ready to take a serious look at the province's future. It grew, too, from the realization that if we leave the future to the professional futurists, it will be upon us and we will be living it without having shaped it ourselves, without thought, and without intent. And are we, by preserving certain aspects of our tradition, freezing and perhaps even petrifying them? Another factor, the questions that many people involved in various make-work projects in this province are asking about the long-term effects of those projects on themselves and their children, in spite, undoubtedly, of welcoming such programs when no other educational opportunities are available.